Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. In this tutorial, we will cover everything. By the end of this video, you will have the skills and confidence to create your own basket waistline top. So let's get started now. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. So let's dive into this amazing sewing project today. So guys, just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. That's the only way you'll be able to understand this tutorial that we are going to go into now. And don't laugh because of my fabric. So let's just get started now. I have my fabric here. This is all I have for this style. So I folded it into two. So I'm going to remove from my tape 5 inches because it's an off shoulder that we are making. So I'm going to measure 19 inches for my length of my top. Okay, so I'll just go ahead now to draw a straight line for that, as you can see me doing on the video. Now I'm going to mark my neckline. So I'm marking 3.5 inches for the front neckline, and it's a square shape in front. So after that, I'm going to mark 3 inches for the depth of my neckline. So guys, you can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and learn from it. Alright, so I'll go ahead now to mark my armhole. So I'm marking my armhole by 1 inch. So that's for my armhole and it's by 1 inch that I'm marking it. So I'll just connect it now with my ruler. I'll give a curve for that now. At this point, I'm going to mark my half length by 50 inches. Remember, it's an off shoulder that we are making today. So I've removed 5 inches from my tape rule. So that's my half length, which is by 50 inches. So I'm just giving a straight line for that. So after that, I'll be measuring 36 inches for my bust, and I'm going to also add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. So at this point, on my half length, that's where I will place my tape rule and mark 28 inches for my waist measurement, and also add 1.5 inches for my sewing allowance. So after that, I will be connecting my marks together to get my basket shape at the bottom. That's what I'm pointing at. I will be marking 3 inches and give it a sharp V shape. Okay, so guys, just follow this procedure so you can use your ruler to give that sharp V shape at the bottom. Don't forget, I measured 3 inches for that at the bottom to give that basket waistline at the waist of our top that we are making now. So I'll just go ahead now to cut it out, guys. I'm still cutting it out, guys. Don't forget, we are cutting the front piece of our top that we are making today. Like I said, you can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and also learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please click the red button under my video to subscribe, and you can also turn on the notification bell to get notified to see my next video upload. Now I folded my fabric into 2 pieces. That is, I'm cutting the back piece now, and I'm going to just lay the front piece on it and cut it out. And it's going to have side zipper. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to mark 2 inches for the depth of my back neckline, and it's a round neck at the back. So that's what I'm doing, as you can see me doing here. So after that, I'll just go ahead now to cut it out. So I'll start from my waistline, the basket shape. So I'm just using my scissors to follow the chalk that we have marked on the front fabric, and just use it to cut it out, guys. Please don't forget to give this video more watch time, and please don't forget to watch it down to the end. You can also share this video with your loved one. Please ask them to also watch it down to the end, guys. So we are cutting the sleeve now, so I'll just go ahead and take the length of my sleeve, which is by 5 inches. Okay, so on my shoulder sleeve I'll be measuring 5.5 inches. So after that I'm going to mark 5 inches on my armhole and give a little curve. Alright, so that's the curve for my armhole. So at this point I'll be measuring 6 inches for my round sleeve, but you can go more than that. It all depends on your body size. Okay, so guys, the cover picture is different from the sleeve that I'm making now is different from the cover picture. All is because of my fabric, because of the size of my fabric, but we are going to achieve the same thing. And the sleeve is not going to have a puff on it, it's going to be straight. Or it's because of my size of my fabric. So you can do more than that. So this is the second sleeve. So we are going to attach everything together and our top will be ready for us to wear out. Wow, I've joined everything together. I've ironed it to help the top to sit flat and prevent wrinkles. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on making a basket waistline top. If you have any feedback, suggestions for future tutorials, please don't hesitate to share. And if you like to support my channel, consider subscribing now. Hit that notification bell to get to see my next tutorial whenever I upload new one. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one.